sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you. Without you. New face, same old good anxiety. Where's your irony? Just smile wide, 'cause I got everything I need, but not what I wanted. 'Cause I just wanted you. And if I could, I'd leave the city too. I don't blame you. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you. Oh, without you. No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you, you, you. Without you, you. New face, same old good anxiety. Where's your irony? Just smile wide, 'cause I got everything I need.
Guys, this is the hairstyle. This is what it's looking like. It's giving, let me know in the comments what it's giving. But for me, I just know when I sat down on this chair, I wanted to give like a braid like at the back and then a bun and the side, but I did not know exactly know how it was going to turn out, and I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this style. It's very simple, very elegant, very pleasant to wear. Like, I try as much as possible to hide the pins at the back, but if your hair is longer than mine, then definitely it can go through around each other. If your hair is not long enough, you could just do a low bun if it can fit into a low bun. It can be worn on a date night, it can be worn to church, it can be worn to events, dinner, you know, wherever you want to go to. If you want to feel classy, then this is the hairstyle for you. Okay. So I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. I have the two clip-ins in my hair, 3 clip and 4 clip-ins. If you've watched my other videos where I have clip-ins in my hair, I usually use that just to, you know, give my hair that longer feel, just so I'm able to do different styles, because I don't want the length of my hair to limit my creativity. But anyways, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
'Cause I just wanted you.